Look at this masterpiece, the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. The detail on this stealth grey coating is absolutely superb. As you can see right here, the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. This die-cast model has the most incredible stealth grey coating I've ever seen. Welcome back everyone. Today we're looking at the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. The detail on this stealth grey coating is absolutely brilliant, highly recommended. Is the AmerCom F-22 Raptor we've all been waiting for. Have a look at that die-cast logo and the stealth grey coating. Just look at the detail on this AmerCom F-22 Raptor. The stealth grey coating is absolutely spot on. So if we look closely at the wing here, you'll notice the precise detail of the US Air Force insignia on this stealth grey coating. The key feature of the Raptor, of course, is the two-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles right here at the back. I am incredibly proud to present the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. The detail on this die-cast model is simply superb, as you can see. And if we look inside here, the detail on the pilot figure is just superb. Really brings the whole model to life. And
This is the AmerCom logo right here. The detail on this Raptor is absolutely stunning, truly a masterpiece.
If we look underneath the AmerCom F-22 here, you can see the intricate details of the weapon bays and the landing gear housing. Absolutely stunning. Look at the detail on this. Is the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. If you look closely here, the stealth grey coating and the precision of the die-cast details are simply unmatched in this scale. Look at the detail on this AmerCom F-22. The stealth grey coating is absolutely spot on and the die-cast feel is superb. So here we have the elevators. Notice the incredible range of motion as they cycle up and then back down again. As you can see, the craftsmanship on this Raptor is stunning. It's easily the centerpiece of my collection. Absolutely thrilled to finally check out the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. Look at the incredible detail on this stealth grey finish. Welcome back to the workshop, everyone. Today we're taking a closer look at this magnificent AmerCom F-22 Raptor. This is the AmerCom F-22 Raptor. If we look closely at the nose gear here, the level of detail on the strut is simply superb for a die-cast model. Absolutely stunning. The stealth grey coating on this AmerCom F-22 is exquisite. Look at the detail on the landing gear. Welcome back to the bench. Today we're looking at the F-22. The cockpit detail here is absolutely stunning.